This video is about how to sign up or create an account on TikTok. Now, before we start, if you want to grow and succeed on TikTok and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to make an account on TikTok. And after downloading and installing the TikTok app, you need to open it to have this screen. And on this screen, you can click this login or sign up button to start creating your account. You can also click this three-line menu and start making your account on this next screen under the account section. In addition, you can first create a TikTok video or story and go on to create your account before posting the video or story. Now, on this next screen, you can sign up for TikTok using your phone number or email. You can also sign up with Facebook, Google, or Twitter, and you just need to click one of these three platforms and log in to the platform. And from there, you can complete the process of creating your TikTok account. If you decide to sign up with your phone or email, you will need to enter your date of birth on this next screen. And after that, you can enter your phone number and get a verification code through an SMS from TikTok, or enter your email address and verify with this pencil to continue. Now, on this next screen, you need to create a password and also create a username on this next screen and click this sign up button. And after that, you need to come below here and click this profile icon to complete the process of creating your account. And on this profile screen, you need to click this button, edit profile. And from there, you can upload your profile photo or video, change your name and username, copy your profile link, add a bio, and also add social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube. And you can always change your profile photo by just clicking on it and then clicking this pencil icon. And through this process, you can also share your profile link. Now, after your account is ready, you can go on to explore the platform and create your first video. And if you want to know about how to create a TikTok video, check out this video link. You can also find the video in the description below. And this is like everything for this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.